picture.
Guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing fantastic. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faiza. So guys, recently I visited my brother, and that's why you've not seen me on these streets of the Red app. Yeah, so I want to share my realistic day in the life away from my home in this particular video. So I'm going to the market and I'm going to share that. We're going together and we will be cooking in this video. We will be watering plants and all that. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please watch it to the end and give it a thumbs up. So guys, I'm heading out. I'm with my aunt here. Yeah, auntie, say hi.
Hi guys, my name is Beatrice. Subscribe.
Yeah, so guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I'm with my aunt. Yeah, we're going for the errands together.
In the back of your car, we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. I remember that I was drunk on my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car, we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here. Try to replace you with somebody out there.
If I didn't chase you, would you even care?
And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So guys, I'm just watering the grass and the plants. Yeah, it's been long since rain was here. It's been long, so we have to be intentional. Guys, next is the greenhouse where we have some vegetables. That is sukuma wiki. It's not so much, actually it's out of let me say it's season in this greenhouse. Hizi ni zile za mwisho mwisho ndo zimebaki, so tunaziwata tu kidogo kidogo so that tunakuwa hatukosi mboga, tununui sukuma. Yeah, so want to do some watering. Let me show you the greenhouse first. This is how it looks. Mboga ndio hizo, sukuma wiki We have some. So, and very tasty. This actually, guys, it is very tasty, really tasty. Tamu sana, inakuwa very soft, haina ukali. I really miss it wakati siko hapa, because this is quite far from where I live, so siwezi ipata rahisi. Yeah, so let's water together. If you're liking the video so far, please give it a thumbs up. That's a like. That is helping me share it. It will be suggested more to other people. Yeah, and subscribe. Yes, guys. So I want to start watering this. Really enjoy this. It is very therapeutic. But niambie if you like it.
I found a picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never sent, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then.
I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. Found yourself a way out of this small town.
So sometimes you
Got a place at school you didn't hang around.
just the water is just
Every day you're far away, these streets don't feel the same. Everywhere is painted with your name. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out.
guys. I'm going to pick something up, and I have my security right here. Let me show you. See my security, Bobby. This is McCain, this is Bobby, and Agwambo over there. Agwambo, hi. Let's go, guys. Me and my dogs. They know where we are going. Say hi, guys. McCain. Look at McCain. See there? See my babies. Boo-boos. Agwambo, good boy, Bobby. Let's go. Hey guys, so we're back from the market, and as you saw earlier, I did some sprinkling of water to the grass and the plants. Now it's time to cook. Yeah, so we're doing mchicha and kunde. Yeah, that is the mixture, and I want to show you how we do separate the stalks and the leaves. So this is how these kienyeji mbogas are prepared. Have to separate the stalks and the leaves. Yeah, the way my auntie is doing it. Yep. So Auntie Beatrice atuambia anafanya nini?
Natengeneza mboga. Mboga ya kunde na mchicha. Sasa karibuni muone vile inapikwa, vile inaendelea. Tutakuwa pamoja na nyinyi kwa YouTube.
Tuambie wa like na wa subscribe.
Na wapenda.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but the
So guys, we're getting ready to prepare our dinner, and today, as I mentioned and as you saw earlier, we're going to cook kunde and mchicha, and that is cowpeas leaves and amaranthus. Okay, so join me and let's cook this vegetable. It's very delicious, very healthy, Yeah, you know, here are our ingredients for the day. We have our onions right here. We have our tomatoes chopped. These tomatoes actually came from our greenhouse. Yeah, I didn't show you that greenhouse. If you wish to see it, you can just comment down below. We have our Royco cubes, milk, we have salt, and the mixed vegetables here. Yeah, the mchicha and the kunde, or the amaranthus and the cowpeas leaves. So we're going to put our pan there, or our sufuria. Then we're going to add our oil. That's enough. And then just give the oil some time to heat up. Then we're going to add our onions. So add the onions. I'm just doing it the simplest way as I can as possible. So we fry the onions until they're golden brown. So next I'm going to add our onions after our own So after our onions are browned, as you can see, I'm going to add our tomatoes. We cook that until they're all broken, all mushy. Okay. On the side, we are cooking omena. As you can see, I have a recipe for omena. You can check it out. The link is down below in the description box. Yes, so I'm going to add our vegetables into our cooked tomatoes. So I'm going to mix them properly. Like that. So we're going to add some salt and our cubes. So here are our cubes. I'm going to break them. I've added our Royco, the cubes. So I'm going to cover that and let that cook for 3 minutes maybe. So 3 minutes later, mix that well. Guys, if you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It supports my channel. And if you've not subscribed, please support your girl. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for such amazing, easy. Yeah, so we're going to add our milk. And then cover. I'm not going to mix, I'm just going to cover. Let that cook for maybe another 3 minutes. Okay. We're going to open up and check. Nice. So, sorry. So that's our veg. This veg is cooked and really nice. Let me give you a close-up look. There it is. Yeah. And our omena is also well cooked. It also has milk. Yeah. So also these mixed African vegetables, I have another recipe for mrenda, mito and kunde. It's really amazing. The link is also down below. So I'm going to link 2 links. That is the omena recipe and the African vegetables. That is mito, mrenda and kunde. Alright?
Take away the pain. Dance with me, baby. You can lead the way. Dance with me, baby. A cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let the soul the record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby.
It's time to have a taste, yeah? So I've picked some, omena and the veg. Mmm. Very nice. I'm going to add some more. So guys, we've come to the end of the video, and before that, thank you so much for the 400 subscribers. I love you so much. If you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button down below. It is red in color like a red pepper. Okay, thank you for loving me. Thank you for watching my content and commenting down below. Please like the video if you've liked it, and let me see you in the next one. Bye bye.